Good afternoon. Today we are going to see how to use AI in POs. Okay, so the AI concept is introduced from 25A. So I will show how will you get the AI generated content in the PO. Okay, for that I already created one PO. Um, so for this is the for this is for so I already created one PO. And we go to approve section. I will show from the beginning also. First, I will show what is the how is will enable, and so it will be generated by AI. Okay, so this purchase orders including a test is the item name. So it is generated by AI. Okay, so sometimes we have two types of we can create a normal classic POs, and also we can use Redwood generated. We have two types of we can create POs from Redwood enabled one, and also we can create from classic one. Okay, so um, I'm canceling that. So it will give everything. Okay, so it will PO how to give PDF also it will give. So we can. This is the we can create POs two types from two types from classic one as well as go to procurement. We use this is the classic one. It's normal from 25A. We can use Redwood enabled PO also. Suppose you want to use Redwood enabled form. So this is the Redwood enabled thing. Okay. So for this to how to enable this Redwood enable POs, I already created one video previously, so you can use that. So sometimes it won't appear this link. In that case, we have to run two time. We have to run two programs. Like you can import users and roles and into application security, and also you have to run this. Okay, and second thing, you have to create one custom role. For that, you have to add some three privileges for that. So I already added that one. This is the role I created. So I'll go to role, to show what roles you have, what privileges you have to add. Go click on this. edit role. Go to next. You have to add three privileges here. Manage purchase orders using Redwood page. This privilege have to be added, and also manage schedule job definition. View purchase order per career. We have to add three privileges before, and then only that link will be enabled. Sometimes it won't enable. In that case, we have to go to and run two schedule programs. I already shown that. Click on this. We have to run user and roles synchronization process, and also we have to run this schedule process. Import users and roles into the application security. Okay, this has been done. Then only that link will appear here. Okay. Mm, this is feature is coming from 24A, sorry, 25A. Okay. Um, so is the content is already generated by AI. Okay, this uh, what items it is included, and everything will be there. It is generated by AI only. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so if you have any doubts on this, this is the is automatically generate. Suppose if you added a role, a custom role, and for that custom role we have to add three areas, then only it will come here. Okay, otherwise it won't come. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, how to enable AI concept, and please let me know so that I can reply back. Okay.